Welcome all friends in the Dhamma. How you know you get progress in the practice? Uh, we just know by if you sit meditation, uh, even for 1 hour, 2 hour, and you feel like, oh, 2 hours, but I just feel I just sit for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, okay? Because there is time dilation. Yeah. What question?
Sometimes when the mind is very busy from thought to thought, you can also have that impression. Sometimes I meditated, sat meditation for 1 hour, and it felt like 5 minutes, but not because I think, not because I was.
Yeah, that means you got awareness of thought and you not running with thought. Okay, you can go through thought. Okay, even thought come, you just stay calm and equanimity of mind. Okay, uh, so now if you can go through thought, then you can sit longer, 3 hours, 4 hours. Okay, and if you can go through thought and perception, conceptual perception, conceptual thought or attachment to thought, you can sit for long day and you not feel tired. Okay, uh, because got uh, time dilation. Time dilation according to Einstein, you will have time dilation become zero if you build a rocket go as fast as the light, then time dilation becomes zero. But the Buddha just go to time dilation become zero by stop thinking, stop desire, stop delusion. Okay? Time dilation becomes zero. Then the universe open up ion, not only a 1,000 years, maybe ion of year. Okay? Long time. That's why the Buddha tell about the Buddha life, previous life, and more previous life, 500 life. Okay? My master Kassapa Muni got time dilation. He sit for 7 days, 7 nights, and not move. He sit into Nirodhasamabad. After Vasa finish, then he start from Vasa finish and go into Nirodhasamabad for 7 days. People know he sitting in this uh, absorption of meditation so deep, no thought, no perception, no attachment to any thought. Okay, no attachment to perception and no self in the no self, no just equality of mind. Okay, then my master sit in Nirodha Samabha more than once a year, about 15 years, until he get older. Uh, until 79, he still sit for 7 days, but he passed away when he 80 years old. Okay, he got time dilation. That's why my master can realize the previous life, a lot of previous life. Okay, but not like the Buddha. The Buddha ion of life. Okay, ion of life and time dilation. Uh, how to go to time dilation? Just go along. Your mind is like monkey mind. It not go parallel with your body. Your body go this way, your mind go this way. Your body go this way, your mind go this way. Okay? So you must develop mindfulness of bodily action, bodily movement. Uh, you move this way, you know. You move this way, you know. You just walking, you know. Sitting, you know. But if you can go with breathing in, you know. Breathing out, you know. Okay, and more breathing in, it got particle of breathing. You know, even sensation of breathing each moment. Okay, you realize the sensation of breathing, then you got the present moment. More the present moment, time dilation becomes zero. Okay, but that means you let go thought, all conceptual thought, and all attachment to thought or to perception or to self. Okay, no attachment at all. Time dilation becomes zero. Okay, so that's why there is a lay person, one lay person in the Buddha time, fast enlightened. Okay, just the Buddha tell him, see, just see, hear, just hear. Okay, you got five sensory door. You look, sometimes you think something else. You not see what you look. You listen to me, you not hear clearly what I'm saying. That means your mind go somewhere else. Whenever your mind go together, you see your mind know and just know, not have any formation of mind with thought. Just know, not just know what you see. Okay, just know what you hear. Just know breathing in, just know breathing out, and just know sensation of breathing. Just know breathing inside got sensation, and know all sensation inside it got air element. Okay, element sometimes it very small particle. When you know, first you do concentration on breathing. In the most people focus one position in front of nostril, and then he still the mind, but he know breathing in and out, but not each moment. Okay, so that's why the Buddha tell us to realize, to know clearly breathing in long, breathing out long. It takes maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Can you go together with long breathing first? But people got planning in a hurry, not follow the Buddha teaching. Just focus breathing in short, out short, focus only small breathing inside the nostril. Then it got stuck. So you start with breathing in long. Okay, in this way you can do concentration by your mind. But when your mind focus, your eye and your mind, usually you use your eye and your mind, or your mind inside focus. This is can focus breathing in long, breathing breathing out in short, breathing out short. But if you want more subtle breathing, to focus subtle breathing, that is sensation. You need to start from your heart, open eye, and stay focused on sensation of breathing. This is more advanced. Stay focused from your heart. You can focus from your heart on sensation of breathing. From your thought, you only can focus on breathing or the breath. Okay? But in your heart, you just stay here, stay focused. Okay, first, if you focus from here, it looks like you run after the breathing. Okay? But for the beginner or intermediate, follow the breathing. You might move together with the breathing. But if you want to know more subtle breathing, you might not move. You might not move, that means you must stay focused from heart. Okay? From heart, even you got body action, body movement, you can know from your heart. Your heart not move. Okay? So if you want to know more breathing each moment, that means each moment into sensation. You need focus from heart. This we call stay focused. Stay at home. This is home. Stay at home. Focus here, from here. Now open your eye at me with me. Can you stay focused on your bodily movement, bodily action, touching, and the movement of body? Body move, your heart not move. Because your heart not move, your heart can stay focused on the movement of body into sensation. Okay? And into sensation, into element, 4 elements. You need to bring your mind here. But anyhow, it's difficult to explain, to stay focused from here. Most practitioners always focus from the brain. From the brain, then you got image. Okay? And people think, oh, it got image, see things beautifully, you got good meditation. Actually, you lost. Okay? But if you stay focused from here, no other image, only sensation of breathing. And just smile. You can stay focused in daily life, more relaxed, more smile, the novel wake up. And now in daily life, you stay focused on bodily movement, bodily action first. And bodily movement outside and inside. Inside, for example, your heartbeat. You don't have to focus by your eye. You cannot, but you can stay focused on how your heartbeat, fast or smooth or not smooth. Very natural heartbeat. Can you stay focused on heartbeat? Just relax, just smile. It got awareness. Okay? And also you can stay focused on pulsation of the whole body. Pulsation. And you also can stay focused on 4 elements, earth element of the whole body. Earth element got move, your heart not move. And then stay focused on 5 elements, warm, cool, warm. And stay focused on water element, sweat, dry. Water inside your mouth, stay focused from here. Water in the body, stay focused from here. And now, next, stay focused on air element. First, your breathing. Develop awareness more and more. Draw awareness on each element. Earth element, water element, fire element, and air element. Relax. Don't put concentration on 4 elements. No. Just aware and stay mindful, stay conscious. This is how to stay focused. Stay mindful, stay conscious of this body. Can you stay mindful and conscious? Then you can realize this body into 4 elements. So, to learn to go to time dilation, you just stay mindful, stay conscious on 4 elements and on breathing in and out, on sensation of breathing, and then you can realize there is the knower observe you. Okay, the knower observe you, and the knower, you come to the knower, you got time dilation. Okay, there is object of knowing, that is your breath and breathing. But if you stay focused, the knower wake up. You come back to the knower. Know breathing and know the knower. If you know both sides, you are in the neutral mind. Time dilation more near to zero. Okay. It's about to train here. That's why you open eye first. Closing eye difficult. Closing eye you already got too much thought, too much perception. You a lot of learning from different teacher. Here you cannot get time dilation. Okay. Time dilation is from know what you know now, no sitting. No sitting mindfully and consciously. What you know, it got time dilation, then it know this body sitting into 4 elements. And know what you know, see what you see, not make any plan, just know 4 elements. And what you know, what you see, 4 elements arising, disappearing, arising, disappearing. This is time dilation. And know what you know, all 4 elements. After that, know more and more each element. Each element stay focused by attention to air element, it come to breathing. Attention to earth element, it come to movement. Attention to fire element, it come to warm and cool. And then stay focused each element. And each element you can see, you can realize sensation of each element. It got different sensation. Okay? Fire sensation, air sensation, water got different sensation. And sensation, it got particle. Okay? It got movement in sensation. Everything learning from here. You can get through subtle sensation. More you can get through subtle sensation, you know the present moment clearly. Then you got time dilation. That's all. You need to practice from your heart, stay focused. Again, stay focused. Now more and more when you stay focused on body, sensation, mind and quality, my object. For foundation, you need to develop right concentration from here, because it can bring you to sensation. From here, difficult to focus sensation. It got stress. Okay? From here, no stress. And you just add up the smile. And then you can realize in smile got sensation. In your heart got sensation. And sensation from what? From desire. Okay? Then you can realize desire, and then you are mindful. When you got desire, mindful, and then desire become less. You got thought because you got desire. Okay? So when you can realize desire, then less desire, less thought. Okay? So that's why if you stay focused from here, it brings you to realize desire. Okay? When you realize desire, it becomes less desire, then less thought. And less desire, less anger, less delusion, and less attachment in perception. This is mine, this is me. Here, it got deeper. Then you got time dilation, go to zero. Okay? The one who got time dilation, to zero is anakami. Anakami non-returner. There are four enlightened. Sodaban, okay, the stream enter. Sakitakami, the second enlightened. And the third enlightened anakami. Anakami non-returner because it beyond the world. The world, this world, it related to time. This world is related to time. He time duration become zero. He can go anywhere. Okay, anywhere. Okay, he can relive previous life. Oh, a lot of previous life. He can know the future. He can know everything because time dilation becomes zero. Because you learn too much. When you learn too much, you only know the present moment. You know only this life. If you let go all your conceptual thought, then time dilation go to zero. Then you want to go anywhere in different dimension. You can go. Okay, time dilation. So time dilation now, in the beginning, just stay focused on your bodily movement. Can you go together? If you focus your bodily movement, you cannot work. But if you stay focused on bodily movement, you can focus me. You can focus your job. So that's why you only do concentration. You only be able to practice only during meditation time 1 hour. 1 hour is not enough. Okay? You need to practice all day. Okay? When you wake up, then you got very good near to time dilation, become zero. Okay? 1 hour, 2 hours not enough. Because the other hour you got desire, you got thought. But you got no thought, only 1 hour, not enough. Okay? So that's why stay focused on your bodily movement as the primary object and work, talk to people, look at people, look at your children. When you stay focused, turn inward. You turn, keep you turn to yourself. Okay, then you're not lost. You turn to yourself, stay focused. You sit, you know, you live, you move, you know, you eat, you know, you wash your face, you know, you wash your body, clean your body, you take a shower, you know. Okay? Know from awareness. Awareness by stay focused. Stay focused. Not focus out, focus in. Okay? Now stay focused. You can work, can talk to people. Hello, hello, how are you? But your heart stay focused on your bodily movement and bodily action. And the second lesson, stay focused on breathing all the time. Because bodily action is simple, is not as subtle as breathing. If you start with body action, you will know you can go together with your movement. You move, you know, you walk, you know, you touch, you know, but usually your breathing, you don't know. Okay. Now the second lesson, stay focused on your breathing. Go together. Even you talk to people, I talk to you, I stay focused with my breathing. Okay? No, I don't use my thought, I use my heart. Stay focused. You need to sit upright. Then your heart open. I stay focused more in daily life because I know already. I know the way. Go on the enlightenment. Time dilation to zero. Okay? It look like I got 1 day living in a day. No dream. In the future, now I still got dream. In the future, no dream. It's only the present moment. Okay? and now I can cope with my dream with stay focused on my body, stay focused on my breathing. Dream it come from your thought and perception. Okay, so now I know the way. I have to more stay focused body and body in the body. Stay focused sensation in the sensation. Stay focused mind and mind in the mind. Okay, mental phenomena in the mental phenomena. We use heart. Okay. First lesson, stay focused on your bodily movement. You got movement. Yeah, stay focused. After that, stay focused on your breathing. After that, stay focused on sensation. After that, very advanced level. Stay focused on the present moment. No need to choose body sensation. Whatever you know it clearly. Whatever you see it clearly. So that's why time dilation will go to zero when you stay focused on the present moment. At the present moment, you know breathing. At the present moment, you know bodily movement. At the present moment, you know chewing. At the present moment, you know drinking. But in the beginning, we start from stay focused on body foundation, sensation foundation, and thought. When you got thought, just aware. Okay. In the first place, bodies, you need to use the word stay focused. It got power. But more you got stay focused, you got more awareness wake up. Sensation, still stay focused, but more awareness. But you train, stay focused on body sensation, then it become more awareness. Then thought arising, just aware, instantly. Desire arising, just aware, instantly. Okay? But now your mind got no power. You need to stay focused. You turn to your body first. Otherwise, your mind always go to people. Okay? Stay focused on your body, sitting, walking. Stay focused on your breathing. As you know, you got problem with there is thought try to disturb you. That's why you need to stay focused until thought gone away. Okay? And now stay focused on breathing in and realize each moment sensation of breathing. Each moment sensation doesn't matter long or short. When the breathing go inside, it got sensation. But for the practice, I recommend you to practice sensation that easily to realize is in your nostril. That's why those who got good concentration, he can realize breathing become mass of breathing, particle of breathing. Somebody can stay focused on breathing, right? Arising, disappearing, okay? But anyhow, there are different phenomena, but we not attached. We only stay focused on sensation of breathing. You feel tired. That's why, because you not relax. You must start from relax and stay focused on body movement. Okay, bodily action first. Okay, and now keep sit upright. Okay, can you look up the Buddha image? But Together, can you stay focused on your breathing? Even you not look at breathing, but you can stay focused on your breathing. Okay. Okay. So that's why in the practice basic yoga meditation in India, you need to sit upright and then your chin up. Then your thought disappear, your mind come back here. Okay? So you need to develop from the basic meditation upright and your chin up. Or look up at the Buddha picture. How can you know breathing? You not know breathing from your eye because your eye look at the Buddha picture. You know breathing from awareness from your heart. Awareness and notice more, it become connect, stay focused. All the time, never lost. You got tired because your body upright, but your head not look up. Look up, smiling up. Tibetan technique, they will tell you sit upright, your back upright like an arrow. Your back upright as the arrow. And keep your mouth tucked in. Not bite, tuck in. How to keep your mouth tucked in, you know? Smile. Now, come here. It wake up here. Here, in your heart, wake up with smile. Smile. Then, breathing in, you got awareness. Awareness and notice. Awareness and notice first. More awareness and notice continuously. It becomes stay there, stay focused there. It becomes I. First awareness, oh, just know. But more awareness and notice, it becomes I. From your eye here, it comes here, your eye. Your eye, look at your breath. Your eye here, so you need to lift up your eye because otherwise your eye here try to help to focus. Your eye here go up. Can you keep your eyeball go up? Okay. Keep your eyeball go up. And then it become your eye in your heart. Keep your eyeball go up. Then your heart become eye. Your heart become awareness and notice. More awareness and notice from heart. Continuously, you got concentration from heart. Concentration from heart, you just stay there and focus from your heart. In your heart, we call you stay at home. Keep your eyeball go up. Then bring your mind come back to your heart. Okay? Now your mind not come back to your heart. Your mind always stay in office. This your head is office. You can rely those who got deep absorption in meditative. You look into his eye. His eyeball go up, or maybe it go back. You try. It's very helpful. So then you need to sit comfortable. Don't because the way you sit, you not get used to sit in this way. Maybe you can sit on a chair. Okay. Okay. eyeball go up. Then your eye come here to your heart. Or the spiritual monk and lay person, eyeball go up. That means they flip back. Now your eyeball go up, your mind flip backwards. Okay? Your eyeball go up, your mind flip back. Flip back from thought to emptiness. When your mind emptiness of thought, relax and keep your mouth tucked in smilingly. Your heart go up. This Tibetan technique. Okay? Tibetan technique not maybe got something different. Okay? But you start from here. It's more level. Okay? Eyeball go up. Your mouth tucked in. And stay focused from smiling heart on your breathing in, breathing out. And then on the sensation of breathing. So you can realize in the beginning you got thought. Just let it be. Don't fight. Okay? You try to stop thinking, it's more thinking. Just stay focused. Your heart stay focused on breathing each moment. Each moment, then you can realize sensation. Sensation more and more in the nostril. And no other thought. Enjoy your practice. Enjoy the present moment. We not practice. We only stay at home, at our heart, and at our heart, aware and notice breathing. One word, stay focused. Okay? But it takes time. Your heart still stirring, got move. Then you need to flip your mind back here. Now open your eye. Can you keep your eyeball go up? Your mind is here. And then don't worry. Eyeball go up only in the beginning. Okay? Only in the beginning only. Okay? Only flip your mind back from thought. Then can you look at the back, at your back from here? Can you look at the spine straight up from here? This is from mindfulness. Look at this person sitting upright. And mindfulness inside. Notice sitting upright. Awareness of sitting upright. Notice breathing. Awareness of sitting or breathing. And stay focused on breathing. Together, every moment breathing in or out. Mindfulness of breathing. Awareness of breathing. With joy and happiness. We not practice. Develop joy and happiness. Breathing is your home. Less thought, then you get time dilation. More and more, less thought, no thought. Now it got time dilation. And more joy in the practice. more time dilation. So develop joy with loving kindness in your heart. Joy in the practice together. Stop desire, because desire make you thought a lot of thinking. Stop desire, not expect anything. Just mindful of being aware and notice. And sit upright. In the beginning, just stay focused together on breathing and body movement. So now open eye. Can you just breathing, not by concentration, force you breathing it long? Can you just breathe in by body? Breathing by body, because you need to stay focused on body foundation. That means breathing, breath body, and body movement. Okay? Because it takes time. If you still got thought, got doubt, you cannot go together with only breathing. Cannot. You must accept. You still got thought, then when you got thought, I let you do this way. When you got thought, knowing thought together and knowing body and breathing. When you knowing thought together, you accept thought. Thought become less. When thought become less, then knowing body and breathing more and more. And when it get calmness of thought, it go knowing more breathing. Okay? So you try to stay focused on your breathing, but you still got thought. It's impossible. So that's why in the beginning, you develop lesson 1, mindfulness of breathing. Lesson 2, mindfulness of body sitting posture. Lesson 3, mindfulness of bodily movement. 3 together, there are 6 lessons. We call mindfulness immersed throughout the whole body. Kaya kata sati. Okay? Many people practice only mindfulness of breathing, try to control breathing. So that's why you control by thought. You cannot come to here. But you just, okay, mindfulness of body and breathing. Because breathing is a part of body. How? Open eye. Open eye again. Can you breathing by your chest, muscle, and diaphragm? and you just breathe mindfully, not force anything. Breathing naturally by chest muscle and diaphragm, rising, falling. Okay? Now you got mindfulness of breathing, mindfulness of bodily movement. Very good. The purpose, those who got very good mindfulness, they got awareness of breathing, awareness of body movement, awareness of sitting and body of movement, awareness of uh, dirtiness of body, awareness of fallen, and awareness of illness, sickness, and death. The purpose of mindfulness is to get more awareness. We call full awareness of the sick lesson. Now people try to focus on breathing only. No. First, let it be. Stay focused on body and breathing together. It's easier and it's more progress. Stay focused on, you can search in Google, Kaya Kata Sati. One practice can fulfill the full foundation of mindfulness. One practice Kaya Kata Sati got 6 lessons. So when you got right understanding, now you got wrong understanding. Mindfulness, you have to mindfulness of breathing only. No. If you have good mindfulness, you must be able to have mindfulness and awareness of breathing, awareness of sitting, awareness of rising, falling, awareness of falling, awareness of dirtiness, awareness of more and more until it go beyond this world. Okay? This is the right understanding. Now you got wrong understanding because you do only concentration, not focus breathing only. But actually, the purpose of mindfulness to develop full awareness. So you must change your conceptual thought. Now to develop full awareness, so you just let it be breathing by body. Together, bodily movement and breathing, just breathing by body. I can realize you got breathing in, breathing out, your chest not move. You got straight. But you need awareness, full awareness of breathing and bodily movement. That means you learn how to breathe properly. Breathe by body. Like you sit on the beach. Now can you breathe by body? Breathing, when you're breathing in, breathe by body, the whole body rising. Chest rising, muscle rising, diaphragm rising, stomach rising. And when you breathe out, everything falling. Can you breathe by body first? That's why you got numb. Because you not breathe by body naturally. Breathe by body. Mindfulness, good mindfulness, you got awareness of breathing and body together. So first develop full awareness. Know everything first. When you know everything, then stay focused one by one. Okay? Like you go to work in a new office, you must learn about the office background. Got many departments, what department and what you have to deal, how it organization, big organization, you have to learn to know the whole organization. So you have to learn the way you breathe by body, how it moves, how it rising, how it falling. And now breathe by body. 1 minute you got calmness. but now you got blind. You try to focus breathing, then you got stuck. Okay, breathe by body. I told you already. Awareness, the nerve wake up when you got eye contact, ear contact, and body contact, tongue contact, nose contact, and body contact. When you breathe by body, you got more awareness and more the nerve wake up. So breathe by body, you get more awareness of body, how sitting, how breathing. It look like you got your spirit wake up. Observe this body, how breathing. Breathe by body again. Wake up first before doing concentration. Wake up full awareness first before stay focused one by one. Okay? People always go to concentration first. No, it's wrong way. You must awareness first. Awareness, full awareness of this body like a company, organization. How many division? Got chest, got muscle working, got fire element, got warm, got cool, got water, got wind. Can you learn more? Full awareness first. So, not concentration first. Awareness first. That's why I just teaching you both awareness and stay focused. So sometimes you don't understand. I teach you stay focused from here, but you need awareness first. Okay? Because awareness first will open up your heart. Without awareness, your heart not open. Now breathe by body first. Relax. Not push to do something. And then eye contact, ear contact. You got nowhere. Observe yourself. Now body contact. Body movement. You got nowhere. Observe how you breathing. You got or not? Know the knower. Know the knower. Not only know the breathing. Know the knower together. Breathe by body again. You got body movement. You got knower wake up. Wake up knower first. Knower. Observing how you breathing. And observe more and more. Observe into 4 elements. Observe body into 4 elements. Is 4 element breathing. My master say, you want to have good health. You have breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner is 4 elements. And you also the 4 elements. 4 elements, eat 4 elements. 4 elements, eat 4 elements. 4 elements, eat 4 elements. You got good health. Okay? 4 elements, breathing in. Breathing will go to 4 elements. 4 elements, breathing out. All sickness gone away from the 4 elements. 4 elements, breathing in. 4 elements, breathing out. Breathing by 4 elements, can you? You got good health. No pain now. Breathing by 4 elements. You can realize breathing element go through the whole element. Element go in between the 4 elements. That's right. And you feel more brightness, more happiness, joy of the body. Breathing by 4 elements. Can you? When you got breathing by 4 elements, this very good awareness. Then you got instantly awareness. Observe yourself. It looks like you got nowhere observe yourself because You can breathe by foramen. Can you breathe by foramen? That means you breathe into the whole body foramen. Your eye wake up. Okay? Your temperature not too hot, not too cool. Okay? When you got breathe by foramen, breathe into foramen, it got contact. Eye contact, you got nowhere. Ear contact, you got nowhere. Breathing into foramen, you got breathing sensation everywhere in foramen. Then it become the knower. We call the clear mind wake up. Can you see when you breathing, all the whole body got movement or not? Muscle movement or not? And not only muscle movement, foramen movement. You feel better now, okay? Because you try to breathe by your mind, force you breathing in long. No, you force it. You just breathing naturally by regarding this body into foramen. Not you breathing, foramen breathing. It's like this body like a factory. There are 4 faculty, 4 departments. Earth faculty, fire faculty, air faculty, and water faculty. Okay? Can you breathe by foramen? Oh, very good health. And then you got awareness more, open up from body contact into foramen, breathing contact into foramen. It got full awareness. It look like you got the knower, observe you. Wake up like this. Wake up. And now, I tell you, again open eye. The knower wake up more and more. You know we got 6 elements. We don't have only 4 elements. 6 elements, what is 6 elements? 4 elements plus space element. The knower is consciousness element. You don't have good enough space element. Where is space element? Every part of body, outside, inside, it got space or not? In your body, in between your heart, your lung, intestine, in between got space or not? Got space. So, there are main space. Your mouth. That's why Tibetan technique. Keep your mouth tucked in. Awareness of space in your mouth. Awareness of space in your mouth. Space in your mouth will connect to space everywhere in your body. Connect to space everywhere in your mind. Keep your mouth tucked in and awareness of space in your mouth. And relax the whole body. Now, going into meditative state by keep your mind awareness of space. Because when you do meditation, your mouth open, you lose space, you fall asleep. If your mouth closed, tucked in, can you feel inside? Inside is space. Space is nothingness. Can you feel nothingness in your mouth? Can you feel space in your mouth? Now you got space in your mouth. And how about space on the whole body? Relax. Space from breathing by body. When the whole body got movement, it got space. Space expanding. Then you got space, you get calmness. And you got awareness, you get consciousness element. So we do meditation. Where we go, you know? Calmness meditation, where we go? We go to space. So now, in your eye got space. Open eye. In your eye socket got space. Your eye, my eye, and not blinking your eye. Not blinking your eye 5 seconds. Space in your eye socket bring more calmness to you. When you're not blinking your eye 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you close your eye, you must keep your eyeball go up. Then it become more space, open up. Okay? This is technique. Keep your eyeball go up, space open up. Okay? Then you don't have to worry to go to calmness meditation. 2 technique, Tibetan technique, keep your mouth tucked in, awareness of space. Space in your mouth, connect to space in your eye, connect to space to everywhere in the body. So now, calmness very simple. You know where you go into calmness, space. Smile, you got space or not? Relax, you got space or not? And usually you lost your mouth up. Okay? You unconscious. If your mouth tuck in, like the army commander, you got power of mind. And then when you give instruction, your eye not blinking, he will listen to you. Okay? Because when you got space, you got power of calmness. Okay? Now, keep your mouth tucked in and open eyes 10 seconds. Okay? You can realize calmness more and more and no thought. So then, when you use your knowledge, where you go to calmness, you go to space. But the problem is how to wake up in space. Awareness of bodily movement, awareness of now open eye, see, just see awareness wake up. Here, just here. Not blinking your eye. See, just see. Now, your eye, my eye, who blinking eye first? I not blinking eye. I not see you. I see emptiness. Can you just look far and wide? Look far and wide. Space in your eye, wake up. Before you take 15 minutes to go meditation, now you take 1 minute only. Look far and wide, your eye wake up. And now you breathing into space, not breathing into your lung, your chest. So, you know, when you got space element, you are breathing not into your lung, your chest. You are breathing into space. As deep as you are spiritual, in space, there are the 6 element, consciousness element there. Can you breathe into space to wake up consciousness element? Big eye, keep your mouth tucked in, and relax. Outside, relax. The whole body relax. And breathing relaxingly. You got breathing into space. Inside your body becomes space. And in space, awareness of sensation. You wake up consciousness in space. Well, very good now. Everybody can do now. This is now my secret. And let you practice by your own way. And I realize you don't understand where you fly into meditative. We fly to space. Okay? Space inside. You only focus outside. No, we fly inwards. Where inwards? Just relax the whole body. space. You got space on your neck.
Yes. Warm.
Yeah.
Warm.
Yeah. Warm. In space you realize 5 elements. And in space you can realize more clearly 4 elements. And in space, open your eye widely. If space become a halo, the brightness. And then in space, just stay focused on your breathing, and not breathing by forcing the breathing naturally by your body, because movement got space. More comfortable breathing, comfortable body. When you got breathing, it got more calm because it got more space. Okay, it looks like you massage yourself. Okay, and in space, stay focused with breathing, because otherwise you go very fast in space. You need to stay focused on your breathing. Otherwise, in space, maybe you fall asleep. So that's why I teach you stay focused. But now you know you need to go to calmness by opening eye first. Opening eye widely, look far and wide. It got space in your eye. Keep your mouth tucked in. And relax the whole body. Adjust the posture. Relax with space. And keep space in your mouth. Smilingly. Smilingly, you got consciousness. Now, where we go in meditative state, we go to the 5th element and 6th element, space and consciousness. If you know this knowledge, you get there in 1 minute. Okay? Understand now? I just let you do your way, but I can realize I should tell you the secret. Laughing got space, relax got space, joy got space, smile got space. So if you keep your mind smile and joy and happy, you got calmness. Okay? If you sad, you lose space. Okay? Enjoy your life, you got calmness. Because when you joy, you got space. And more joy, you got time dilation. Like you are in the heaven. Time dilation. And time dilation, then you got space, calmness, joy, and space. But you need to develop knowledge. Knowledge at the present moment, conscious of your breathing together. Conscious of your breathing. In the beginning, you are conscious of your breathing sometime, and more you are conscious. That's why you need to stay focused. But you don't have space. You stay focused, don't have space, then you disrupt it. You need to go to space, relax the whole body, open your eye widely. That's why in this approach, you need to open eye, because you go into space by your knowledge. Okay? We call way. Way, we not go by method. By method, you must sit upright. You must focus your breath. You have to keep your mind still and focus one point. This is method. There are method of practice, method of practice, and way of enlightenment. I teach you way of enlightenment. No method. Only way of mindfulness, way of awareness. Then you got space and consciousness. So even you sad, don't look sad. Even you sad, smile. Okay? Again, now smile from your heart up to your face, big face. That's why I tell you, just turn your back, flip your mind back. Now your mind got stuck here in the front lobe of brain. How to flip your mind back? Look up. your eyeball go up, your mind flip back. Your eye flip back, and then observe from here, from behind. Observe this person. We practice to develop knower to observe. Then we can observe, practice, observe ourselves. Then the knower wake up. Okay? Eyeball go up. Your mind flip back, become observing how you sit, observing how you breathing in, observe, observe, observe. Observe more, no thought. Observe more, notice from your heart. Notice what different observe or notice. Now can you observe hand movement? Move your hand. This is observe. And notice in between movement, can you notice stop? In between movement, you observe movement, can you notice stop? You observe hand movement, can you notice stop? And notice more stop, more stop, more stop, more stop, more stop, more stop. Observe breathing in. Notice touching. Stop is the touching. Okay? Can you observe breathing and notice the touching of breathing inside the nostril? Stay focused on the touching. Observe the whole breathing. And your eye open widely. And keep your mouth tucked in. Then it open here. Space come to your mouth, then it open here. And look up. Your mind flip back here. From thought, it flip back. You turn inwards. And then keep your face up and look up and keep your mouth not drop. Keep your mouth tucked in. You got space in your mouth. Bring to you calmness. And in space, can you observe breathing in long, but notice sensation of breathing together? Observe from your neck behind. Notice from your heart. Okay? Observe breathing in and notice together from your heart. Observe breathing out and notice. Notice it get awareness. Notice it get awareness, get the knower. The knower wake up here now 20%, but 80% still sleeping in subconscious. First you observe, you got knower wake up 20%. But if you notice together, you open up the knower 80%, totally wake up. Open here, like a halo from here. Okay? Now you got halo. Someone got someone small halo, someone big halo, someone still dark. Okay? And now just relax the whole body. Full awareness. Full awareness of body outside. Full awareness of four elements. More full awareness, more space. And full awareness, then observe. Observe all together four elements, but notice it arising, disappearing. Notice one by one, but observe all together. But notice the activity inside. Observe the whole body, but notice the activity inside. It got four elements arising, disappearing, fire element, temperature, arising, disappearing, warm, cool, warm, sweat, dry, and softness, hardness. Then when you regard four elements, then you free from pain. If you not regard four elements, you regard this is me, then you got pain. This is not me, it's four elements, no pain. And now again, your mindfulness is here. It look like you can observe from here the way you sit, and from behind how you breathing. But together, notice from your heart sensation of your breathing. Observe generally the whole breathing, but notice each moment of breathing sensation, and close your eye. More notice, more aware. More awareness, more the knowing. And notice sensation in the nostril. Good enough. More you notice sensation in the nostril area, you can realize it got different contact. More you can realize different contact. Eye contact, ear contact, more no wake up. Breathing contact, more no wake up. Each moment contact, no wake up. Your mind as bright as the halo. Wake up. No pain already. And now you stay there. Stay mindful, stay conscious. Stay conscious, stay mindful, breathe mindfully and consciously. Now no practice. You just breathe mindfully and consciously. Consciously more you get the knower, the clear knower. Before you get 20%, now 30%, 40% clear knower. Okay? Breathe mindfully and consciously. Breathe mindfully you breathe and notice sensation each moment more and more. Okay? And what you notice? Arising, disappearing, arising, disappearing, arising, disappearing. Sensation of breathing, it become impermanent. Okay? It's out of control. Okay? But you try to control your breathing. Okay? Now, not control. Just see it's impermanent. It's only transformation. Sometimes it's transformation like mass of breathing. Or maybe sometimes transform like a thread. Sometimes like a small. Okay? And now, when you got this already, stay focused. Even you finish, you go to work, stay focused. At least you know a bit, 10%. During your work, you know not much, 10%. Connect your heart with breathing, 10% or 5%. Can you? You can feel sensation 5 or 10% in daily life. But when you come to practice, feel it more 90%. And feel it more until go together. It becomes the present moment and it got time dilation. Okay? And we finish this session. Sadhu.